Before we jump into the unboxing and the review of these Nortiv8 leather men's hiking boots, let me give you a quick overview. Even though these boots are leather and waterproof, they are much lighter than they look. They feel much more like a sneaker than a boot. I am definitely a fan, but for those who want a little bit more in depth, let's get into it.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first look at the Nortiv8 hiking boots from Amazon. I've got my camel crowns here, which I've had for 4 years, and you can see these boots are pretty beat up. Lots of mud. I take these out hiking, camping, Mount Hood, Tillamook Forest. 4 years they've held up really well. I have had to kick campfires, burning logs, and as you can see the wear on the bottom of these is really light. If I get up over 100 likes on this particular video, I'll do a more in-depth review of these camel crowns. But the downside to these camel crowns is that they were heavy. So wearing them for hiking, it was pretty tough having to clamber over fallen logs. So I thought I would try a different type of boot, and then I found these Nortiv8s on Amazon. There's lots of reviews, lots of positive reviews on these Nortiv8s. They're about $50, which was right in the price range that I was looking for. So I'm not doing 100, 200 mile hikes. I do like 5 mile, 10 miles camping over the weekend. So I don't need those super expensive type of true hiking boots. And these Nortiv8s, I'm pretty upbeat about. The packaging that it came in is definitely solid. Nice packaging. They spent some money on it. Not a ton of graphics on it, but not just a cheap brown box. So let's open it up and see what we got on the inside. So if I open these up, definitely good covers here. Nice solid looking boot. Definitely leather, rubber here. I like the bottom sole of it. I like this tread. Definitely looks like it'll do good in the mud and the rain. Rain's about 9 months here, so definitely have to have something that is good in the rain. This tread up here at the front looks like it will be definitely helpful for me when I'm clambering over things. The buckles are definitely solid, look like good buckles. There's no stitching at the bottom, so this is probably one of the places that they saved a lot of money. It's just gluing the sole on. Got leather on the back as well as some fake leather rubber. This is actually rubber on the toe. Not a steel toe boot, so you definitely don't want to be dropping rocks or logs on your foot. You'll break your toes. But I really am just getting these for hiking. So they're definitely solid looking boots. I'm excited to take them out, do some hiking in the mud and the rain and see how they do. If you're interested in these boots, in about 6 months or a year, I'll do another review to show you how they held up after a year of use. But right now, let's just take them out and let's see how they do first time out.